Attention all GME shareholders. Great news. It seems as though that GameStop may be gearing up for a gamma squeeze. Stick around. I'm going to talk about it all. But before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. We're trying to get this thing to 100 likes. So, as you all know, this thing has been performing pretty well. If you did catch my video on GME on my second YouTube channel, then you already know, guys, that we said that this thing is headed towards those $30 levels here in the month of November. But huge shift in the options chain here today, which is shaping up a gamma squeeze situation for GameStop. If we take a brief look and just check out the open interest here at the $30 strike for the expiration of 11/15, as you guys can see here, a monstrous number of 23,000 in open interest here at that $30 strike. And if we take a brief look and just check out the $25 strike, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see here, over 38,000 in open interest. So let's say we actually do approach those $30 levels here by Thursday, then more than likely, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see this $25 strike be covered here. And that is a tremendous amount of open interest here at that $25 strike. And if that does take place, then, ladies and gentlemen, that gamma squeeze effect is really going to take effect, which is ultimately going to put us well past that $30 mark, which is ultimately going to force market makers to cover the $30 strike, which currently sits here at an open interest of $23. As you guys can see here, the domino effect is building momentum. Not only that, if we take a brief look and just check out the short sell analysis here recently in GameStop, as you guys can see here, we have been getting stacked short positions here coming off of Friday's trading extremely high, 11.3% on that short sell ratio. And I do feel as though that today's trading is going to have a much higher short sell ratio and total short count thanks to the volume. 25 million in total volume here today coming off of yesterday's, aka Friday, of 15.91 million. Now, depending on today's short sell analysis, we do get the daily short data here in Moomoo around 10 p.m. Central Time. So once that come in, I can give you guys a better insight on whether we will see a short cover wave take place here on GME. But as you guys know, we have been hitting those short cover predictions left and right and pretty accurate on that. But just looking at today's price action, GameStop is in a great position to see a short cover take place here tomorrow. Now, do not get a short squeeze and a short cover mixed up. A short cover takes place. We have multiple short covers taking place throughout the trading day here, not just in GameStop. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, expect for GameStop. I really do feel as though that we're going to achieve that gamma squeeze here in GameStop this time around. Not hearing too much noise from Roaring Kitty currently, but just seeing as though that the stock is in a total uptrend is a very great sign. And just looking at that capital trend, as you guys can see here, we do see that inflow pick up here on that extra large scale right around 1434, and we start to see that inflow take over, which points to covering going on. We did see a nice wave of covering here throughout today's trading for GME, and it seems as though that this short cover wave is ultimately going to find itself in a swing cycle. On the high end of things, ladies and gentlemen, if all of this plays out, GameStop stands a very great chance to cross those $38 levels here early next week. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you have all post notifications set to all so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to check out my latest video and join the Discord.